So if you know this channel, we've been working with Ekster for a while now on all of their different products. They've got aluminium wallets, they've got duffel bags, they've got leather wallets, all handcrafted and amazing quality. But they've just upped their game and added a whole new ecosystem that we're going to check out today. So today I present to you the CardHolder Pro from Ekster. So you're probably thinking to yourself, what's the difference between having the Pro version to the standard aluminium version? Well, let's go over some of the specifications that change this and make it better for your convenience. So not only is this new version made from 100% recycled metal, so there is not a single piece of plastic gone into this product, and the whole ecosystem put together can hold 1 to 14 cards, where the device itself can hold up to 5 to 7 cards, depending obviously on the embossed numbers on the cards and how many of those you have inside. There is an all new metal trigger, so you have better durability and overall feel. With the all new ergonomic shape, the card holder and button fit better in the palm. Plus then, with the ecosystem, there is a crazy amount of add-ons that you can make this a better wallet to suit your personal needs. And let's go through some of the add-ons in the ecosystem which we have here. So I currently have the coin tray and the cash clip backplate. Now what this does, it just gives me the overall abilities to have small change on me. I can put a key in there if I really wanted to. And then with the cash clip, it's super simple just to have on you and slide in some cash, but you don't also have to use it for cash. You can use it to, let's say you want to clip your wallet to your waistband. This is a perfect opportunity to have that cash clip to also double up as just a standard clip. But there obviously is more that you can add into this ecosystem, which is their Apple AirTag backplate, or you can use their own GPS finder card if you don't have AirTag, and then their new tool card, which comes with a numerous amount of different functionalities that can actually help you through your day-to-day life. As you can see before, you had a plastic little trigger there which had a weird shape to it, where now they've gone for more of an ergonomic shape and made out of metal, so it just gives you that higher quality feeling for the price that you pay for the products. Then they've taken into account when people hold it in their hands, the sharp corners on the old version used to indent and just feel uncomfortable if you were using it non-stop all day, say going on the trains and all of that stuff in London. Now they've got the ergonomic shape that's more curvature, more rounded and fitted to the hand, so when you do put it in, click the button, it just feels right. So that is definitely a win on their behalf. Not only do you get all the benefits of the ecosystem, this also comes with a lifetime warranty, but you probably won't even need that because they are so rugged and ready to go. They are super well built, made out of some of the toughest aluminium, and the mechanism inside is also solid proof. But it is nice to have that peace of mind that if anything does ever go wrong, you have your lifetime warranty covered. And obviously with it being fully recyclable, you are obviously helping the planet on that behalf as well, so no more plastics are used within this product, which is a benefit to the ecosystem itself, and again obviously gives you the higher quality where it's just 100% metals and no flimsy plastic within this build. So overall, what do you get with the upgraded version? Not only a huge amount of ecosystem add-ons which will create the best possible wallet for your daily needs, this one now actually fits more, adds more, looks more and lasts more, with obviously the new metal trigger, the bigger capacity, the sleeker designs, and that lifetime warranty. Now these have a silly amount of colours, so I'm going to quickly go through what ones we've got here. We've got jet black, space grey, midnight blue, forest green, desert red, and then 2 exclusive colours, which is fiery red and marine blue. And let me tell you, all the colourways look absolutely insane. Compared to the predecessors, these ones are just a lot more crispier. And having all of this in one as well, now having the money clip, the coin tray, more cards in the slot here, and also still using the original tray at the back, which gives you some more slots for extra cards, hence why it can hold up to like 14 cards in here. So what I've got in mind is 6 cards in the slot here, and then in this part here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, an extra 4 there. Then in the back here of the new Pro with the money clip, I've got my coin tray, which just allows me to, you know, if I ever need any small change, do that easy. Cash in the back there, and it just looks good in this colorway as well. Super happy with it, the quality of it and all of that good stuff, and I can guarantee when you pick one of these up, you will also feel the premium quality that you're getting with this nice new Ekster wallet. And if you want to get yourself a cheeky discount, there is a link down below that you can do so you can save yourself some pennies on getting a full ecosystem. But other than that, I want to say a massive thank you to Ekster for sending this out. They had no say in what I said, but they did give me some guidance on what to sort of point out and discuss, so that's what we've done, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, hit subscribe because there's plenty more to come, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. Again, this is the Ekster Pro card holder with all the ecosystem that you need right there at your fingertips. Get yourself in the description, go and check your website and buy yourself an upgraded wallet that's gonna last.